Have you ever found yourself wishing you had a crystal ball that could predict the Forex market's next big move? Well, our Forex trading technical service is the next best thing. We provide timely and accurate trading opportunities that give you a competitive edge in the Forex market, enabling you to make informed trading decisions. Imagine having a team of skilled analysts who monitor the market 24/5, analyzing trends, patterns, and key indicators. Our experts identify high-probability trading opportunities and deliver real-time signals directly to your device. This means you can capitalize on profitable trades without spending countless hours analyzing charts and news. Some of the numerous benefits are time-saving, quality trading opportunities, profitability, trading education, risk management, confidence building, live Zoom technical sessions, questions and answers, private group community, very affordable entry cost, and a lot more. We have numerous success stories over the past months, and also from traders who have experienced remarkable growth in their accounts since joining our service. Our trading opportunity calls have helped them avoid common pitfalls, seize opportunities, and navigate the challenging Forex market with confidence. Check out Blue VIP Technical Trading with the link below bv4rex.com/bluevip.